What things were going on for you before you came into the clinic?
Oh, beginning in the mid part of 2022, I was having horrible back pain that led to sciatica. And for the better part of 2022, I was utilizing Western medicine. I was going to my primary care physician and they gave me medication to take for the pain, but I wasn't getting any relief. And then early on in 2023, a friend of mine suggested that I try acupuncture. Acupuncture was something that I would never think of trying, but her recommendation to me was I would have nothing to lose by just giving it a shot. So I made an appointment with you and I walked in. I was very skeptical because I'm a pragmatic person, but I was open-minded enough because at that point I was willing to try anything to get pain relief. So that's how we got started together on our journey. And what I learned from that is that Western medicine has its place for pain relief, but acupuncture and the service that you provide is more holistic and more long-term, and it was the only thing that provided me relief.
I'm really grateful to hear that that helped you out in the way that it did.
It did.
So, what things are you able to do now that you weren't before?
Well, back in 2022, I was a pretty avid hiker, runner, walker. I was doing that every week and every weekend. As soon as I injured my back, all that activity stopped. And when that activity stopped and I talked to my doctors, they recommended that I would have to adjust my lifestyle. That was something that I probably would not be able to do going forward. So fell into a bit of a depression, but I pretty much absolved myself to the fact that I would never get better, that this was it. So after sessions with you, and not only with the acupuncture, but with some of the herbs and the counseling and the guidance and the change in lifestyle that you recommended for me, I am now able to go back to walking and hiking, and I just started back on running
That's
on the
exciting.
weekend. So I have a goal to go back to running a half marathon or maybe a marathon.
Oh my gosh, that's
So
so
because I'm
exciting.
feeling so good and I don't feel any pain at all the pain and the stiffness is gone.
I'm so glad to hear that. And I'm so excited for you too to get ready for your marathons
Oh,
or
me
half
too.
marathons. That's amazing.
Yes.
So, what advice would you have for someone else who is maybe in the same situation that you've been in?
Oh gosh. So what I would recommend to people is what worked for me was a integrative health team to help with my program. So Western medicine has its place, and my opinion, if you're in immediate trauma or you're in immediate pain and you need relief, Western medicine is the best. But if you're looking for a long-term solution, that's where you need a combination of Western and Eastern medicine. And that's where acupuncture and working with you has really gave me a holistic view of my health plan. So I think if you get a team that has different perspectives, and if you really listen to your body as to what's going on, you can make 100% recovery like I did. I did not think I would recover. I literally crawled in to the office when I first came to you. Now I'm walking, now I'm running. I would never think that I would make this great of a turnaround. And on top of that, my primary care physician could not believe that the turnaround I have made was so quick. So I have to thank you for that. You gave me my life back. And I really appreciate everything that you do.
Thank you for that. It's been such a pleasure to work with you too, and it's wonderful to see the progress that you've made.
Oh, yeah.